Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, dear Shaquan. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Come on. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Are you one? Are you two? Are you 41? Oh, no. Hey!
Cheese, look, Satan. Cheese.
Oh. Serious face, yeah. You gotta look at the camera though. You gotta look at the camera.
Okay.
All right. My boys. Yeah, look at my fly boys. Okay, y'all done.
The son surprised Quan on his birthday. What started as a normal day turned into unforgettable birthday celebration. Rissa and her sons planned the sweetest surprise for Quan, and his heartwarming reaction has everyone talking. Let's get into everything that happened. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to Clara Clary TV, your home for the latest celebrity updates, heartwarming moments, and trending entertainment stories. If you are here, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notifications for you never miss any update. Birthdays are always special, but they are even more meaningful when they are shared with people you love most. Quan experienced exactly what when Rissa and her sons surprised him with a thoughtful birthday celebration. As he arrived, he was greeted with smiles, decoration, a beautiful birthday cake, and the cheerful voices of everyone singing happy birthday. The surprise caught Quan completely off guard. His smile said it all, and he hugged Rhys and the boys, clearly touched by the love and effort they had put into making his day unforgettable. The celebration was filled with laughter, warm family moments, delicious treats, and plenty of memories. It was a reminder that the best gifts aren't always expensive. They are the moments shared with the people who care about you most. Fans have been loving the celebration, with many sending Quan happy birthday wishes and praising Rissa and her sons for making his special day so memorable. What do you think about the sweetest birthday surprise? If someone planned a celebration like this for you, how would you react? Let us know in the comment below. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Clara Clary TV, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out the latest celebrity news and heartwarming stories. Until next time, stay safe, stay happy, and we'll see you in the next video.